Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maxidana and I hope you all are doing great. So tell me one thing, isn't it true that we all want to look good in our pictures or in our daily lives? Yes, and for that हम लड़कियां तो अपना आधा टाइम ये सोचने में ही लगा देती हैं कि यार मेरे पास तो कुछ पहनने को नहीं है. I mean कहीं जाने का प्लान बाद में बनता है और हमारा कैंसिल पहले हो जाता है कि यार मैं नहीं जा रही बिकॉज हमें अपने वार्डरोब में समझ में ही नहीं आता. We all have been there, and you know, being clueless is completely fine. It's not a crime, ladies, but there are few details that you all can add to your wardrobe, or I can say there are few essential pieces, clothing pieces, that you all can have to look more polished and stylish. And for that I'm not saying that कि आप Zara पे जाओ जाके shopping करके आओ. That's not gonna help because the point of this video is not expensive clothing, but it's about having few pieces which actually can help you in looking more stylish. And आपको खुद भी लगता होगा like when you are wearing clothes which you love, और कुछ ऐसे pieces जब आप पहन के जाते होंगे तो आपको लगता होगा यार yes I'm looking beautiful today. And you know, clothing can boost your confidence and it can make you look more beautiful, or I can say that confidence is beautiful. So let's just start this video. And you know, this video is about winter and summer. I mean these hacks can be used in winters and summer, both the seasons. This is winter time, so मैंने कुछ sweaters के साथ style किया है, but in summers you can go with any t-shirt or shirt. So let's just start this video. So a few days back I did a poll on Instagram where I asked that what would you choose between a pair of jeans and a skirt, and to my surprise most of the girls chose skirt. And I also think that it is an ultimate fashion accessory or ultimate fashion cloth, because you know these kind of skirts are so much useful in summers and winters as well. In summers you can go with a shirt or t-shirt and a pair of heels, and in winters you can carry a legging or warmer underneath, and with boots, high boots or low boots, that's completely up to you. And you know, these kind of skirts, pleated skirts, are so stylish. They can look formal, they can look casual, completely up to you that how you style them. And here I have styled it with a very basic sweater, and this is looking so gorgeous. And you know, sometimes जब आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा और आपका jeans पहनने का मन नहीं है, you can go with this skirt. And ये below the knee है, which is a thing that I love most nowadays, because I think I am right now 29, so ये मैं अपनी हर वीडियो में बोलती रहती हूँ. But this is a very nice idea to have a skirt, this kind of a skirt in your wardrobe. I got this from Zara a year back, I think, year or maybe two, I don't know, but you can have this from Myntra or from anywhere. And these kind of skirts can make you look more, you know, grown up, or more mature, or maybe more smart. बेशक से आप सच में बिल्कुल smart ना हो. And these look formal, these look casual, they are super stylish, they can make you look slimmer because they can hide all the fat. You know, अगर आपकी body भी मेरी तरह heavy bottom type है, then you can definitely go for these kind of skirts. They are super amazing, and I think every girl should have one in their wardrobe. So now coming to the choice of jeans. Jeans is an evergreen fashion. हम लोग हमेशा से jeans पहनते आ रहे हैं. And if you are going to buy a new jean right now, you should go for a straight fit jeans instead of skinny. Why I'm saying this? Because you know, skinny jeans can make you look bulky. If you are my body type kind of a girl, like I have a heavy bottom and I am a pear shaped body girl, so for me skinny jeans is a complete disaster. It makes me look so bulky, and I have heavy thighs, and skinny jeans pleat is a big no for me. But at the same time, if I talk about these straight fit jeans, they are super duper stylish, comfortable, and they, you know, are good for my body type. And I think even पतले लोगों पे भी straight fit jeans ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं as compared to skinny. I don't know why I hate skinny jeans maybe. Or you can see in this video on the left side I'm looking very sad because my jeans is not good, and on the right side I'm feeling happy and confident. And also, I think there is a jeans for everyone out there. We just need to go out and find our perfect fit, because you know everyone has a different body type, and for everyone's body type there is a perfect piece out there. We just need to go out and find that. So when we are talking about anti-skinny jeans, there is one more category, which is flare jeans. Flare jeans are super amazing, super stylish in winters and summers as well. And I think this 70s trend, it's still going strong. Every girl should have one in their wardrobe. Here I have carried a yellow sweater and a pair of boots, which is looking super cute, and this look is perfect for your day-to-day life if you are going to office or mall or anywhere. और अगर आपका नॉर्मल बेसिक जीन्स पहनने का मन नहीं है, यू कैन गो विद दिस लुक. दिस लुक इज़ ऑल्सो आई थिंक stylish and mature and looking very grown up and like I know everything kind of a girl. So yeah, you can go with this look. So the next trend which I'm gonna talk about is layering. So winters में layering is important. Like I live in Delhi NCR area और यहाँ पर दिसंबर एंड से जनवरी तक काफ़ी सर्दी पड़ती है. So I think in these kind of days we can go for layering. Like मैंने यहाँ पर blazer on blazer किया है, which is looking super formal and stylish. अगर आप office going girl हैं, then you can definitely go for this look. You can add any blazer you have, like black, white, red, कुछ भी है. Just layer blazer on blazer. Like आप grey and black भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर मैंने पूरा camel shade and brown shades का mixture किया है. But you can go for any color shade you have. And these looks are also good in winters. And yeah, you can go for this look. In my second layering look, मैंने एक high neck sweater पहना है और उसके ऊपर एक round shape sweater पहना है. अगर आपके पास इस टाइप के दो स्वेटर हैं, लाइक ब्लैक के ऊपर रेड कर लो या फिर पिंक एंड रेड कर लो, कलर ब्लॉकिंग कर लो. I mean, आप कुछ भी कैरी कर सकते हो, बट दिस टेक्निक ऑफ लेयरिंग इन विंटर्स इज़ गुड एंड इट कैन कीप यू वार्म एंड स्टाइलिश एट द सेम टाइम. सो या, these are my tips for today. And there are few more things that you can add, like hair and watch and you know jewelry and bags. Like here I have in this video I have done few different things with my hair. You can also do like आप थोड़ा सा soft curls कर लो या फिर सेंटर वाले हेयर को यहाँ पर इस तरीके से टक कर लो. I show you like this. These kind of you know things, and having a bag in your hand can also make a difference. So like I have used here different kind of bags in this video, and मैंने वैसे basic black bag ही रखा है. And for bags I'm not saying कि go for expensive ones, but you can you know wait for Zara sale. My secret revealed. But yeah, you can wait for Zara and Mango sale and then buy these bags on affordable rates. That was all guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet then please do it. I know आप सबको पता है, तो please कर दो. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.